This is Alan Funt with the secret camera. There's a little garage. There's all the stuff. You know, do it just like Alan Funt.
Back up. Uh-oh, here she comes. Hi, puppy. Come on. Come on, son.
And there's Cheetah. Say hi to everybody.
There's my dog.
There's Cheetah's dog. What's your dog's name? Honey? This is Honey. She named her after you, Ma. Say hi to everybody at home.
Oh, no, the house is a mess.
Oh, yeah, the house is a mess. Oh, this is Cheetah's house. There's the TV right next to all the stuff laying on the floor. And oh, my goodness. There's the living room. This is some kind of a room over here.
Look at her cat.
We're going to the kitchen. Whoa, look at this. Oh, my God. Oh, you cannot hide from the roving cameras.
Patio.
There's the dog.
See the deck?
Oh, here's the patio. We're coming to this patio over
How do you
here.
open this door?
It's
she's
shut.
got it sealed off. We can undo it.
There's a little patio out here. That's okay, Chief. That's your little deck. She's got a deck there.
Okay, now her fireplace over here.
You notice the similarity between all the houses?
Come on, it's over.
Here's the stairs that go to the loft.
You forgot the fireplace. No. Stop for now. The house is a mess.
There's a fireplace over there.
We can finish it later. Okay, now let's go upstairs.
There's a dog, too.
Okay, come on.
There you go.
There's the stairs.
Now we're going upstairs.
Right there. That's where the bedroom door
That's the bedroom right there. It's got a balcony up there. And now you can't tell mine that you clean your house.
I know.
The roving reporter.
This is their bedroom.
Is the roving
Wait,
reporter.
let me check. You better not be recording.
This is the
I don't
roving.
think you want to see this.
This is the roving recorder reporting from the. Oh my God. From the Cheetah nuclear disaster site.
See, and these doors open.
There's her bed that she never made.
See?
There's Cheetah downstairs. She says her maid doesn't work on Thursdays. There's the dog. That's kind of neat, eh? That little balcony there.
Okay, this way.
Well, it's kind of hard to walk with all these clothes on the floor. Then we head over here to the guest bedroom.
Whoops.
Oh my goodness. As you can plainly see,
It's
with her Art
lived in.
Deco,
It's lived in.
this is Cheetah's version of Art Deco.
Goes after me.
Then we go into the bathroom.
Just don't show the chonies.
There's the bathroom.
We'd have to go and
Looks like a regular hotel bathroom. Except for, what y'all know what to get Cheetah for Christmas is. A roll of toilet paper and laundry hampers, as you can see here, strewn about. Actually, that's a safety device so you don't slip and bump your head. But that pretty much concludes this
tour of home.
tour of
Home. Home
the Francis Range nuclear disaster site. One more shot at this surprised look on her face. Say hi, Ma.
Come on, say hi.
Say hi to everybody at home.
Hi, everybody. Oh, honey, you're getting so big. Now do I get my chance to explain?
Okay, yeah, Cheetah took the afternoon off this today. Well, that's it. We'll get back
Took the
here.
afternoon off?
And here's Papa Smurf. Say hi to everybody at
Don't buy
home.
your tires from Byron's Tire Center. I'm gonna crush you.
We already gave him the 5 cent
Yeah,
tour.
they went tour the house. Dirty as it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi to everybody in Snowland.
See my dog?
Here, we got the dog.
This is my daughter. Some people say she's a dog.
There's a little red. There's another view of the neighborhood. Kind of nice, isn't it?